Today, the competition has become extremely difficult. There is a cutthroat competition in terms of getting jobs. Everyone wants to get into FANG. Everyone wants to get into top budding unicorns. Everyone wants job in some or the better workplace, which offers them good work-life balance along with a good salary, right? People are striving hard. Everyone is working hard. People are being smart. People are trying every possible way to get into these companies. In scenario like this, what happens is that whenever the portal of a company gets opened, it gets filled with thousands and lakhs of resumes. These days, artificial intelligence is also being used in order to filter resume. But on a generic manner, recruiter's task is to filter. In order to get it passed, have to work really hard. They have to scan each and every resume. They have to look through these resumes. And this becomes extremely difficult for them. What is really happening is something which has been happening for a while. Being human, what we do is we do. So, generally, students, in order to get these jobs, in order to land up in good internships, they land up by copying certain stuff. They copy certificates, they copy projects, etc., etc., etc. It becomes extremely difficult for the recruiter to determine what is authentic and what is not authentic. And that is where the power of blockchain technology comes in. That is where decentralization comes in. And that is where authenticity feature of blockchain technology comes in. And that's the rationale we decided to rope in this problem statement and strive to provide a solution. If you see a simple Google search, what you'll effectively find is that there are many. Oh yeah, so there are many things which shows that resumes are copied, this, that, and whatnot. So this is what the login part is. Everyone wants. Fuck man. So just a while, let me just show you one thing, and that is how we have tried to provide a solution. Now this is what decentral land is. Once you either log in or once you sign in, you would come over here. Let us search a company, say let's search Microsoft. Okay, wallet not detected. Fair, fair. So you can see these were the people. So these were the people who were working in this particular organization from this date. This is the metadata hasn't been given, that's why we can't determine. But this is what the solution is all about. This is a prototype, and that's what the solution which we are striving to offer. Say Amazon, or let us come over here. Say company, say Amazon. Let us search. So this, as I said, this is a prototype. That's why it is showing this thing. Let us say someone like Hitesh Agarwal. Hitesh. You can see it's being loading. So these are the things which could be shown. This hasn't been done completely in a sense because it's a prototype. So this is what it will show. And this is what sums up, and this is what our project is all about. And this apparently shows the power of blockchain technology. Let us go to the smart contract to understand more about it. So this is what the smart contract of this particular blockchain based application is. DApp. So companies will be there, employees will be there, certifications, endorsements, skills and experiences, these were there. Email address has to be added. Company address in a sense ID, wallet ID or address ID, whatever you can call it. Company has to be there. It will be modified. Along with the company, you have all the details of the company in which the employee was working, So you can see current employer, previous employer, and all other employees. uh, any particular company, how will it be identified? It will be identified by its unique ID, wallet address, and other different parameters like the company in which who were the employees who were working. So these were the things. Coming to the certificates, URL will be there, date of issuance, validation date. All these parameters will be given, name of the person who has got ID, and this is what it will. I mean, the wallet address or the wallet ID will authenticate whether the certificate is true. I would say whether the certificate is authentic or fake. Endorsement, who has endorsed you, skills will be there, and last but not the least, user will be there. And the things which I have told, skill, experiences, endorsement, certificates, companies, all the functions would be created. This is a sign in function. Apart from this, you have login function, sign up function, add experiences, all those things will be there. So this is what your smart contract is all about. And you can compile, and it shows that it has been running successfully. You can publish it on Swarm, and this is what the metadata shows. I think this is what sums up